If you have ever wished you were someone else, this story will make you look at your own life in a new way. High in the mountains, where the wind was cold and the trees clung to the cliffs, an eagle sat alone on a rocky ledge. It was strong, fast, and free, but that morning it was not proud. It was sad. It looked at the world below and thought, everyone else seems happier than me. Why do I feel so empty? That's when a traveler, an older man walking along the mountain path, heard a sharp cry. He stopped, looked up, and saw the eagle perched above him. Seeing its bowed head and drooping wings, he sensed something was not right. Why are you unhappy, king of the sky? The traveler asked gently. The eagle flew down to a lower branch and looked at him. I am tired of my life. It seemed to say, people fear me. They chase me away. No one admires me. I wish I could be something else, something more loved, more beautiful. The traveler looked at the great bird for a moment, then said, if you want to change, I can guide you. But first, go and see others. Ask if they are truly happy, then come back to me. The eagle opened its wings and soared off. First, it flew to a quiet lake where a swan glided across the water. You must be happy, the eagle thought. Everyone loves your beauty. You're perfect. But the swan shook its head. I'm admired, yes, but I feel plain. The world is full of colors, and I have only white. I wish I had the colors of a parrot. The eagle flew on. Deep in a forest, it found a parrot, bright and beautiful among the green leaves. Surely you must be happy, the eagle thought. But the parrot sighed. My colors make people want me. They take me, cage me, and I lose my freedom. I dream of being like the peacock, admired but special. So the eagle kept flying. Finally, in a city zoo, it found a peacock. Its feathers were stunning, shining even in the shade. People came every day to stare and take pictures. When they left, the eagle asked, you must be the happiest of all. But the peacock gave a small, sad laugh. My beauty is my prison. I live behind bars. People pluck my feathers. I cannot fly. I cannot roam. I dream of being free like you. The eagle was silent. It had expected joy, but found sadness. Each one wanted what another had, and the peacock, the most admired of all, longed to be exactly what the eagle already was. When it returned to the mountains, the traveler was waiting. Well, he asked. The eagle landed and stood tall. It understood now. I thought I was cursed. It seemed to say, but I was blind to my own gift. I am free. Others envy what I already have. The traveler smiled. That is how most of us live. We see only what we lack. But when you stop comparing, you realize how much you already have. The wind picked up, and the eagle spread its wings. It rose into the open sky, no longer wishing to be anything else. We often look at others and believe their life is better. We compare, we envy, we forget what's already ours. But someone somewhere is wishing they had your freedom, your skills, your life. Happiness starts when you stop comparing and start appreciating. If this story touched you, share it, like the video, and subscribe for more stories that remind you of life's hidden blessings.